Ladies and gentlemen, this is a video guide dedicated to help you get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Quick Baro. We have discovered the Quick Baro application or browser extension after downloading it from the deceptive resource. We also found out that after the installation, Quick Baro extension hijacks a web browser by changing its settings. Most likely it would attack Google Chrome browser. So Quick Baro is an unwanted browser extension that functions as a hijacker. It actually promotes a third-party search engine that doesn't really work very well in terms of providing you with decent search results. When you submit some search queries, you may eventually get the results by some other search engine, and you might not get any results at all, or you might get a lot of other results not really matching your expectations. You may also see a lot of sponsored links, advertisements not related to your search queries, and other junk data. So Quick Baro is the extension that you should never install into your Google Chrome. The problem is that, as I said, Quick Baro is often integrated with some free applications. It may be installed through fake browser update alerts. In case this Quick Baro was added to your Google Chrome, this is what you can do. Access the menu of the browser, More Tools, Extensions. Now, when you find this Quick Baro extension, disable and remove the extension completely. This should fix the issue pretty well. Now, to make sure that the system is free of any other threats, I recommend researching your device with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.